Number of questions, 30. You have 10 seconds for each question. Please pause the video if the time is not enough for you.
Choose the correct answer from A, B, C or D. Don't throw today's newspaper away. I haven't read it yet. Catherine lives in London but her parents don't. They live in Scotland. What does Anthony do? Isn't he an architect or a lawyer or something like that? Who lives in that house at the end of the street? I have no idea. How many languages can you speak? 2. English and French. We go to the disco a lot because we enjoy dancing.
That isn't my umbrella. Mine is blue. This one is green. Before you start the test, write your name at the top of the page. This road is very dangerous. There have been many accidents on it. The children can't play until they finish their homework.
I don't like cold weather. It makes me sad and depressed. I've made a pot of coffee. Would you like some? Yes, please. Where are you going to go on holidays this summer? We haven't decided yet. We might go to Greece. There were a lot of people at the meeting. Here you are, my dear. These flowers are for you.
A bird flew in through the open window. I'm not going to wait for her. She always comes late. Many businessmen work too hard. It's not good for them. How long have you had your car? Only for 2 years. There was someone in the room. I opened the door very slowly. She turned on the TV to watch the news. It's almost 1 o'clock and the meeting hasn't finished yet. It's a very interesting book. You should read it. Which hotel did you stay at? The one near the station. You must stop drinking whiskey. It's bad for you. You can have tea or coffee. Which do you prefer? Have you seen the photographs? Yes, you showed them to us yesterday.
New York is the most exciting city in the world. My mother lives in Italy now. Really? How long has she lived there? She's starting her new job on April 1st.